Hello, everybody. It's Egypt. Welcome back to my channel. This is the last video. This is the last video that I'm going to be recording in this room. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, you guys did not hear the news. I finally found an apartment. I am very, very, very happy. And I'm only recording this video because I got some stuff. And it's going to be a little bit, and I'm just packing some stuff up because you see, this is a business video. As horrible as I look right now, you guys are going to see a little bit of my face because I have no other way of filming this. I'm not wearing gloves, but my hands are sanitized. I sanitize my hands every freaking day. Even when I come in this room and I touch anything, I have like, hold on, what's that? This big thing, this thing of hand sanitizer, it's been used. Like, I need to go and get me another one because it's been used. You know, I got other stuff I'm working on too. I'm not doing a video for it though because I don't feel like it right now. So, other than that, yeah, so what I'm doing right now, oh, I'm listening to music. Right now, we are filling up my lashes, my inventory. So we're filling up these lashes. I'll probably wear a pair in a video. So these are the lashes that I've been waiting for. These are them. I have another set of them coming. I don't know if I'm going to be here to pick them up. So we're just going to get through this. I just wanted to let you guys know that I finally found an apartment. After this, we are going to be skimping through and fast forwarding through. So I'm not going to be talking after this. So, but yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. And if you guys want me to do anything else that has anything to do with the business or the nails that I got, anything like that, y'all need to let me know in the comment section below. Talk. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. gonna do, because I have one more to do, I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't want this to be that long. If you guys like this video and want to see more of what I'm gonna do with most of the stuff that I'm gonna be selling, you guys can let me know in the comment section below, or because we got another video coming out on the 1st of July. That video is supposed to be of me moving. You know what? I'll put a poll up on Instagram. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. If you like these types of videos, if you like any type of videos that I put up on my channel, leave a like, subscribe if you want to. It's free 99. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I'll be looking better than what I'm looking right now, and it'll be in my new apartment. It'll be in my new apartment. You guys will get an apartment tour and all that stuff. Get ready for those videos. Those videos are coming up. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys do want to follow me, you guys can follow me on Twitter. You guys can follow me on Instagram. I will have both of them in the description below. If you guys want to know where I got the lashes from, I think I'll put that in the description below. If you don't and you just want to wait until I sell mine, I'll put the website in the description below when I'm finished with the website. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Even though I was sitting here listening and jamming the music. Yeah, I know I'm saying too much. Don't know why. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This is the last video in here. This is the last video in here. Be excited. Alright, I'll see you guys in another video.